Hi, my name is Mary Ellen Carrillo. Um, I'm just gonna be here to tell you some basic, just to get to know me information. There's a picture of me right here. Let's see, my name, of course. The first thing that comes to mind when I'm telling someone something about me is that I'm a mom. Her name is Veronica Chacon. She's 7 months as of today, um, the 28th, or August 28th. She's 7 months, right now. She was born January 4th, 2019. She loves to watch TV, her little bright colored cartoons, and she likes to eat strawberries. She likes strawberries a lot. Let's see. In a couple days, she'll be 8 months already. There's pictures of her, as you can see, in her little leopard outfit, and then starting from the left side in her leopard outfit, those two other pictures of me and her. We were at church. That's why we look so nice. We don't look like that all the time. Um, and we took those other pictures in the front of my house. So we got a kind of decent little brick background going on. But she's very she's very active for her age. She can stand up on her own, like she'll like just need something to lift herself, like to hold her arms, and she'll just stand on her own. She crawls everywhere. She's been getting a lot of boo-boos because she can't hold herself up yet, but she tries to, so she's been getting a lot of boo-boos. I need to buy her a playpen, but when she's on her crib, she does not sit down. She's just jumping and jumping, holding on to the little railing. But yeah, that's my daughter, Veronica. That's why I'm doing this school online, because I would miss her if I was gone at school all day. Um, Basic information about me. I was born and raised in Midland, Texas. I got my diploma from Coleman High School and received a scholarship from them as well. I'm very blessed. I would not be able to be at college right now if it wasn't for Coleman High School scholarship that they gave me. It's called the Birth of May Scholarship, so I'm very grateful to her. My birthday is on September 30th, 2001. I'm pretty young. I'm 17. My birthday's coming up, but yep, that's my birthday. That's a little basic stuff about me. I enjoy being outdoors. I like being outside, only if it's not frying, because we get a bunch of hot weather around here where you can't even be outside. I love being in the water, around the water. I love swimming. I don't know, to me it's like I don't know, I just love it. I just feel like it's like alive. Like it gets like if you're in a desert, the water would make it like a million times better. I love seeing animals. I love animals. I love petting them. I love loving them because they can sense if you like are trying to be harmful or not. Like they know what's going on and they know good from bad people. So I love being outdoors. Makeup, I started doing my own makeup in the 7th grade, and since then I loved it. I do my friends' makeup for birthdays, senior pictures, and a lot more. Doing makeup makes me feel confident. I love makeup because it can make me feel confident, like I wrote, and it just makes me feel better about myself, like anybody else would. My dream career, I would like to be my own. I'd like my own company. I would like to own my own company of beauty products. I would make prices affordable for everyone to purchase. That'd be a nice job to have. I got my dad, who's a hotshot driver, my brother, who's in the 10th grade, and my grandmother, who's a secretary at a bank. I like being happy. I love laughing. I love making people laugh. I feel like I'm pretty down to earth. I'm easy to talk to, kind of, a little bit. I'm kind of shy, but I'm pretty good to talk to. And yeah, that's about it. That's what I have about me. I hope y'all, or I hope, Mr. Lord, I hope you enjoy. Okay, bye bye.